Dear Diary, a rainy day has occurred in Avatar World, Sun Hill City. There was nothing else to do but just play with our toys. I do not know if any storm, any storm in this city will come, or a tornado or hurricane, because you know the girl who was trying to write this. It's Peekaboo! Ah! Brother, you made me drop my stuff! Why'd you have to do that?
Sorry, I just want someone to play with. No one ever plays with me.
But don't pop up like that. I'll play with you. I'm writing something.
Is it?
No. It's nothing. Just a diary. It's nothing.
Oh, can you play with me?
Oh, sure, why not?
Let's play blocks.
Okay.
What should I do?
Oh, that's easy. I know how to create blocks. So you just put this here, put that there. Ooh, this is kind of tricky. And bloop.
Can I do it? Can I do the last one?
Oh, sure. Come on, little bro.
I'm trying. Whoa! Oh no! I was about to put the last piece. Now it fell.
Oh my God.
That thunder scared me. It made me fall. Now my masterpiece is ruined. Maybe I can put this piece back. No! How come every time the thunder shakes the house? It's not fair. It's not fair. I hate these blocks.
Brother, calm down, okay? It's just thunder. Don't need to make a big deal about it. We can rebuild it again.
Well, I suggest we should. Now add another block and then last one.
This one.
Yeah, you did it! No! I'm getting so mad. These blocks are the worst.
Brother, wait, don't kick them.
Yeah. This is not fair. Mommy, pity.
It's okay, little bro. Calm down.
Mommy, I want mommy. No, I want mama.
Aw, kids, what's going on here?
Mama, our tower knocked down.
Oh, it's because it's thundering real loud. It might be some bad thunder showers.
Bad thunder showers? Mommy, I'm scared. I hate thunder showers. Mommy.
It's okay, sweetheart.
Mama, I heard a thunder.
Mom, I think I'm a little scared. Is the power gonna come off? What? Silly, this house... Don't worry, we're safe and strong. Even when the power goes off, there's nothing to worry. Okay. I think your dad's cooking dinner. Okay. Wait, actually, he's not because we run out of groceries. Do we need to go shopping? Sure. I'm gonna have to take y'all with me. Yeah.
I want to get my favorite plushie. I don't want to leave it.
Oh, bro. Seriously, you always get your favorite plushie.
Sometimes when I'm scared, I get my plushie.
It's gonna ruin my perfect hat. Kids, this is no time for playing in the rain. We have to get inside.
Okay. Oh no, I can't leave you.
Come on, little bro. Come on, guys, in the car. In the car we go. I'll start the car engine. Bye.
Dada, I want my teddy.
Not in the grocery store because you might lose it again.
I won't lose it.
But so, I think your teddy is already sleeping in the car.
Oh, phew.
So we need some eggs, apples, grapes, carrots, eggplants, grease, olive oil, olive oil, grease, flour, and I think that's it. But I think you should flip to the next page. Oh, so you said eggs, flour, apples, grapes, carrots, eggplants.
Cereal.
Oh dear, I knew you'd spot that. Now for the bakery. So we need some chicken, honey, milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, olive milk, water bottles, and I think that's it on the list, and chicken. Okay, 2 chickens, 1 ham. Honey, thank you, no problem. We might need some milk, chocolate milk. You forgot that. Oh yeah, and olive milk. This, cheese, butter, and of course. Your total is $25.99. Okay. Thank you really much. No problem. My card comes in handy.
That's a lot of groceries, Dada.
I know. Because we might need a lot of food just in case.
In case the power goes off and we go hungry.
Yep.
Well, I don't wanna go hungry.
Me either. None of us don't want to go hungry. So that's why we need to buy lots and lots and lots of food. Plus, we're the rich family, okay? The rich family never gives up.
Yeah, Dada, you're right.
There, now let's close the fridge, and I'm gonna prepare some dinner.
Yay! Woohoo! Daddy preparing dinner.
Now kids, just close the pantry. Oh, let's put this in here. Okay. And the dining table is set, okay? I need to buy a high chair. Oh, don't worry, I could go to the store. BRB. Okay, honey, so I bought a rug and a high chair for the baby. Oh, she loves it! I know. Hey, little bud, what's wrong?
Everyone's saying "aw" to the baby. Look. Yay! Me left chair.
Nice try, buddy. You're just a little bit jealous. You gotta get used to her.
Okay, I'm used to a little bit.
I know. Oh, I need to set this table. Let's just move you right there. Isn't that perfect?
Now
Okay, you want me to turn you around? Oh, she loves it. Now we can all have a family Now we can all have a family dinner. I'm gonna cook. Ooh, this plant might be in the way, so I'm just gonna move over here. Yeah, I guess that's in the way. Now you get to sit by Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
Aw, so cute.
Mama, I don't think I can get in the chair.
Oh.
Yay.
Now this family dinner is perfect. Oh look, there's even like a little couch thingy. I forgot to get the supplies for this. Oh dear. Okay, I got a sponge, a hand soap, and a cleaner, and this spray cleaner. Febreze, you meant. Yeah. Okay, now let's put it in here. Phew! Now I'm gonna have to put my credit card in here. Dinner is really good. But I haven't even been chicken! Yeah! Rich milk. One.
Thank you.
And a slice of yummy juicy apple and a slice of cheese for you. Thanks. And also chicken for you. Thanks. And I'm also gonna make the next one, which is Kelly's.
Yay, Kelly!
She said Kelly! What? On 4 months? Seriously? Oh my gosh.
Wow! This is the best! Kelly, Kelly, Kelly!
Yep. Time for Kelly's dinner. Oh. Ah! Seriously? Okay, that's it. Oh, just... come on. Oh, not your passy too. Oh, what a cheeky baby.
Dada, buddy!
She said Dada!
Dada, Dada!
Oh my gosh, this is the best. So I'll just put yours. Oh, I'll just put yours. Oh. Okay, that's it. I had enough. Okay. What? Ah, you're blocking my dinner. Okay, let me just move you right over here. Yeah, I can see. Okay, now I just gotta get your thing. So we're just gonna put some baby powder. Okay, now we're just gonna put it in here. And let it sit there for a second. There. And now in case she starts throwing a tantrum, she might want her little monkey teeth there. Okay. Okay, here's her milk. Oh, okay. Okay, you're finished. Now we just need to feed you your honey and yogurt. Say ah. Oh, she likes it. Let's dig in, everybody.
This is the best dinner ever. I love being in the witch house.
Sweetie, what did I say about eating your food correctly? You know you learned that.
Yeah, sorry, Mama.
Yeah, I know. Now the fork. The fork. What's going on? Oh, But what, kid? Binoculars. Put it all in the bag. All in the bag. What you want, okay?
Okay, but I'm scared, Mama. I want to build.
It's okay, Lewis. Just lay down. Now we'll just place our stuff here, and we could just sit down. See, nothing to worry about. It's like a picnic. You still scared, little buddy?
Yeah, Dada. I'm scared. I don't want to be in tornado.
It's okay. Tornadoes happen, okay? We're just in a hot place, that's all. Tornadoes love hot and dry places. But this is like a desert. But this is not like a desert. This is a hot place. Or warm.
But Dada, is the tornado gonna come and take my stuffed bees? And is it gonna take everything that I love?
Oh, don't worry. Our house is safe and strong. We have protective thick or thin windows. I don't know. But don't worry. It'll be A-okay.
Okay, Dada. I want to stay close to you. Will it not?
Okay?
Okay, Dada.
Tornado's close to us. Oh, look. Oh, nothing. It's okay. Everything's safe. Or either. Plus, how could it be that close to break our house?
Oh, Dada. 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 I'm scared. Dada. Dada. Dada, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't worry. Our house is protective. Oh, I feel jiggles. I feel jiggles.
Oh no. The floor is shaky. What do I do?
Oh no. Everyone, we have to stay together. Yeah, honey. Oh no. The floor might be jiggling, but we still stay together. Did it stop?
I think it did.
Let's go check. Oh my gosh, some of the plants are knocked out. Oh no. Let me just put this up here, put that. Oh no. Gotta rebuild everything. Oh no, this actually, let's just put this right here. Well, good thing let's go check the kitchen. Phew. My book. The toothbrushes. Oh no, that's my favorite toothbrush. Ew, now it's all dirty. The baby's room is okay too. Okay, phew. Well, good thing the tornado passed, but our house is ruined. So I guess we better go to a safe spot like a hotel.
I'm gonna miss this place.
I know. Me too.